Welcome to episode 2 of my Poppin' series. The videos in this series are designed specifically for dancers who want that crystal clear pop. The two key factors to achieve that are great muscle control and perfect rhythm, both of which are what we'll be covering. If you're new to my channel, I'm Seach, I teach, and I make dance tutorial videos. If you find my videos helpful and would like to support the channel, you could do so by clicking the like, subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. My tutorials are dance-along videos, which means you can practice along with me as you watch. Every video has multiple drills, and each drill is about 1 minute, not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is try to keep up with me throughout the entire drill. If you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because building muscle control and that perfect rhythm takes time and patience. For the tips and explanations of each drill, watch toward the end of the video. This is where I go over specific techniques on how to avoid some common mistakes. Now, if you're ready, I'll see you in the drills. Enjoy, have fun, and let's make it funky. talking about drill number 1 right now, okay? Obviously, this one has balance involved. So first one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I'm doing is, right leg goes up, the left, I'm gonna pull my pants back so you can see what I'm doing with my leg. There's that popping of the leg right there, okay? So you have 1, 2, 3. On the 4, leaning forward, so it's gonna be right leg. So first, on the 2, pop the left. On the 4, pop the right. On the 6, left. On the 8, pop the right. Okay? So have 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, mainly I'm concentrating on my leg and arm at the same time, at the head and the chest if you can. Alright? So what I would say is focus on legs, arms. Legs and arms together. And obviously it has to be on peak. You guys will probably get sick of me saying that, but it's the most important thing. You gotta be on beat. Okay? Alright. So then we have the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a common question is this. When I put my leg down, after 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, is the back leg here? Is it here? Is it here? It really doesn't matter. If you feel your weight on the front leg, that's all that matters, all right? Because I want you to put your weight on the leg that you're popping, okay? So again, let's put it together. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go over what the arms are doing. It's just swinging, kind of like if you're running or something like that, right? Opposite arm, opposite leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This move may feel kind of weird because it seems like my right leg is on the ground. It should be the left. But since I'm just switching right here, I'm switching weight, I want you to kind of get used to that movement. So if you're not used to it, use this drill, try it over and over again. If you can't get it, try again tomorrow because it will eventually seem very natural. Okay? All right. So you got both sides, and obviously the 2 8 counts after we're doubling it. It's a theme that you're gonna hear over again. We're doubling. We're doing tempo. So we got pop on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So again, 2 8 counts half time, 2 8 counts tempo. Put it together. Watch for the cues so that you can do it with me. Okay? If there's any questions, feel free to drop in the comments below. Otherwise, keep practicing until you feel confident to move to drill number 2. Okay, guys, drill number 2. Now, why is this one important? Because usually what happens is I see poppers kind of just stay up high. A lot of them don't really get down low, okay? So this is a great way to start introducing you. Get some power when you're down here, okay? Get some power. Now, obviously, when you get to this part here, okay, 2 things. First thing, obviously, your bounce. You got to be able to bounce here for a second, okay? Come back. And also, you really can't pop your knees at that point. So everything you have to generate, all the pop that you get to generate, basically comes from elsewhere, okay? Mainly the arms, head, chest, okay? So this is a great drill. I want you to give it a try. So we start with this one. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I'm looking for is this. Once you get to this part right here, I'm swinging this part here, okay? So it's like a counter exchange. My arm goes back at the same time while my knee goes forward. Boom, and the hip kind of drops, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we're thinking about timing as well as power, okay? And then after that, again, we do 2 8 counts of that. And the 3rd and the 4th 8 count, we're doubling it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So as I said before, when you get to this part, you really can't pop your knee because then you're going to obviously move it. So you're going to have to generate all the power from the other parts of your body. But now once you get to this part, then you can pop. Now the question is, which leg? It really doesn't matter. Okay? You could use the same leg that you've always used, or alternate it so one side doesn't get tired. Okay? All right, so I think this drill is not very hard. You know, most of the popping drills, the choreography is not very hard. We repeat a lot, and that's why it's called drill. We repeat it so it becomes more of a muscle memory and be able to, because we want that nice, fast twitch, be able to go from very relaxed to flex and back to relax right away, okay? So again, that's the drill. If there's any comments, questions, hit me up, let me know. I'll get to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, get ready for drill number 3. We'll put them all together. Guys, we're talking about drill number 3 now, all right? This is where we combine drill number 1 and 2 together. You see all the techniques from drill number 1 and 2. Now it's just putting them together. It's just putting it together. That's it, all right? So first aid count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, immediately go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we repeat that one. So this one's kind of, monotonous. You have to make sure you keep track, because sometimes as I was filming this, it's easy for me to forget. Wait, I went down. Do I start over again? No, you got 2 of them, right? So you got 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we got the doubles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. Then you start the double. So the hard part is just really focus on not just being on beat, the power, as well as knowing, when to switch. All right, guys. I don't think this particular series is very hard in the sense that you got to remember a lot. You really don't. It's more of getting your muscle, getting your power to pop when you're at that angle, okay? So many of us only practice, here, and kind of just keeping our arms, down at this angle, but not really know how to start getting down lower and lower. So this is a great way to introduce you guys to getting different angles of the waist, of the knee, of the body. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoy. If you did, obviously hit that like and the subscribe. Hope to get you guys more onto popping drill series so I can see more dancers. Be on beat, guys. This is the main thing. Be on beat. It'll make it pop a lot better. All right, guys, I'm out.